Welcome to the National Weather Service in Burlington, Vermont's presentation on flash flooding for Severe Weather Awareness Week. Flooding is one of the most deadly and damaging weather hazards to affect the U.S. every year. From 1995 through 2011, flooding caused more fatalities than tornadoes. Of those fatalities, the majority occurred while the person was driving into flooded areas, especially at night. The Northeast is vulnerable to flash flooding from thunderstorms during the warm season, especially in areas of complex mountainous terrain. It's important to know where flooding is likely to occur, what evacuation routes are available, where to find the most up-to-date information, and what it means. So what is warm season flash flooding? Flash flooding is a rapid rise in water levels which causes flooding that occurs very quickly, usually within 6 hours of the causative event. And warm season refers to April through October. During the warm season in the Northeast, flash flooding is usually caused by thunderstorms that are slow-moving or stationary or training over the same area. Training means that multiple thunderstorms continue to follow one another over the same area. In all cases, heavy precipitation falls over a specific area. Tropical cyclones can also bring very heavy rainfall, precipitating multiple inches of rain, as was the case with Hurricane Irene over portions of Vermont and New York receiving 6 to 8 inches of rain. Lastly, dam breaks can also cause flash flooding. Areas that can be particularly vulnerable to flash flooding are locations that have had recent rainfall, leaving the ground moist and unable to absorb as much precipitation, urban areas, and valley locations in mountainous terrain that allow rainfall and runoff to reach rivers faster. Flash flooding can lead to significant infrastructure damage such as road washouts, crop and property damage, and death. Flash flooding is especially dangerous at night when it's harder to see the water. You can see in the pie chart on the right that a majority of flood victims perished while driving. If you come to an area that is covered with water, you will not know the depth of the water or the condition of the ground under the water. This is especially true at night when your vision is more limited. A mere 6 inches of fast-moving flood water can knock over an adult. It takes only 2 feet of rushing water to carry away most vehicles, including pickups and SUVs. To alert the public, media, and emergency management community to these dangers, the National Weather Service issues flash flood warnings when rapid rises in water level over a short period of time will result in flooding. Here we have an excerpt of a flash flood warning stating the type of warning, for what areas, timing of the warning, reason for the warning, in this case heavy rainfall has fallen and more is expected, and hazardous conditions expected. Thank you for watching this presentation on warm season flash flooding during the National Weather Service Burlington's Severe Weather Awareness Week. For more information, visit us on the web at www.weather.gov/BTV, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter.